EssProM EPM Simplified.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're joining us for part 2 of our series on integrating NetSuite Planning and Budgeting with Power BI, you're in the right place. In part 1, we set the stage by discussing the basics and setting up the initial configurations. Today, we're going to dive deeper into how to leverage REST APIs to connect these two powerful tools and visualize your data in Power BI. So let's get started. Converting into table. First, convert the data into 3 tables by creating 2 duplicates of the POV table. Set first row as header and name each column header with the dimensions that you want to visualize in your report. Expand to new rows and click on List to view the data present for that cross-section. Merging the tables. After the tables have been set up, we will use the period plus account and the P&L tables to merge the queries to a new table. To merge queries, select a column and from the Home tab click on Merge Queries and select Merge Queries as New. We'll carry out inner join based on the index to get the new table. Merging data table with POV. Add an index column to the POV and the data table, then merge queries based on the index as done previously. The 2 tables shall be joined by full outer join, and that shall give us the final structure that we'll view on our report that's built. Loading data table to report builder. Expand the table by clicking on Fill Down, and then click Close and Apply. Now the data tables are loaded in Power BI to build the reports. Building the report. After the tables are loaded, on the right-hand side select the columns as required. You can even edit the visualization accordingly, and then save the report that shall be later used in analysis, or publish it on Power BI Workspace. There you have it, a seamless integration between NetSuite Planning and Budgeting and Power BI using REST API. Remember, the key to leveraging this integration effectively is to continuously refine your data models and dashboards as your business evolves. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on EPM and BI. For more information, reach out to us at support@essprom.com. Thanks for watching.